Our today's topic is expectation values of dynamical variables. To explain the expectation values of dynamical variable, it is necessary to know what is meant by the expectation values. Expectation values gives mean or average values of the dynamical variables like position, momentum, total energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, angular momentum, etc. For these dynamical variable, it is necessary to find the mean value. How to get the mean value or the average value? Since in the quantum mechanics, due to uncertain behavior, we cannot get the exact value of the dynamical variable term. Since, according to uncertainty principle, there is some uncertainties in the measurement of the dynamical variables. If we cannot get the exact value at particular point, then it is necessary to take the large number of observations within very small distance dx. It means the relative number of times that observation is observed over the distance dx. At each observation, it gives the probability. And you know the probability is related to wave function. And that wave function gives the state of the particle. Therefore, due to uncertain behavior, it is necessary to take the average or expectation value of the position term. That expectation value or average value of any one of the dynamical variable like position is denoted by the symbol angle bracket x. That angle bracket x gives the expectation value of the position of particle along the x-axis. Now then, what are the definition of a particular term? Expectation value of a dynamical variable. Therefore, we see the definition. The expectation value of the dynamical quantity is the mathematical expectation for the result of single measurement. Single measurement means we can say it is the result of single measurement. Only we find the position or only we find the momentum. Only for the single measurement, we take its average value under taking the large number of observations. That large number of observations gives, each observation gives its probability, and therefore in quantum mechanics, the expectation value is the probabilistic expected value of the result of the experiment. We define another way. It is also defined as the average of the result of the large number of measurements on independent identical system. That means system is represented by the identical wave function. Now we give one example. Expectation value of the position. To find the position value, position probabilistic value of the position means we paid the average value. We take one example, that in electron diffraction experiment, the position of large number of electrons n all are described by the same function psi of xt. Now what is that experiment and how we get the mean value of the position? Position is one of the dynamical variable. Then how we find its average value or mean value in that experiment, using that experiment. Here we mention the position of large number of electrons. All are described by the same function psi of xt, means every state of the electron in particular point is related to probability, and that probability which describe the function psi. Here we find for each electron at time t, what is its position. For that purpose, we take observations for electrons position and find number of electrons with position between x and x plus dx. Then probability that electron will be in the position between x to x plus dx. Therefore, how we write the next term, since that probability is related to the wave function. Therefore, we write the psi star xt psi xt, since all electrons, its state given by the function psi of xt. Therefore, that probability is related to psi star xt psi of xt dx equal to number of electrons in the position between x and x plus dx by n. Now we simplify this equation. N we take on that side. Therefore, we get the number of electrons in the position between x and x plus dx is equal to n psi star xt into psi of xt dx. To find the sum of all measured values x1, x2, x3, xn only within the small distance dx for all n electrons. That sum is x1 plus x2 plus x3. x1 is the position of the electron in the within small distance dx. Similarly, x2, x3 up to xn for all n electrons. That sum we write x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn. It must be equal to, we take the integration of n psi star xt into psi of xt dx multiplied by x, since we find the position of these number of electrons. Position of these number of electrons, integrate from minus infinity to plus infinity, it gives the sum of position of all n electrons, x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn. Now we take n on that side. Therefore, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on up to xn divided by capital N is equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity x psi star xt psi of xt dx. This is the next equation. See this equation. x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn divided by n. It gives sum of position of all n particles along the x-axis divided by total number of electrons equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity x psi star xt psi of xt dx. This one side of that equation, this is the RHS side of that equation, it gives the value angle bracket x means expectation value of x is equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity psi star xt x psi of xt dx, where psi of xt is normalized wave function, or it is also known as well behaved wave function. Now we find the expectation value of any function. That function is f of x. In the same manner, angle bracket f of x is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity psi star xt f of x psi of xt dx. Other term, potential energy, its expectation value, we write if v is function of x only, therefore v of x, angle bracket v of x is equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity psi star xt v of x psi of xt dx. It gives the expectation value of the potential energy. To find the expectation value of the momentum, we write the x component momentum, angle bracket px is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity psi star x t px operator psi of xt dx, where the px x component momentum operator value we find earlier, and it is minus IH cross dev of deva x. Put the value and simplify the term, and we get the simplified form of the expectation value of the momentum. Angle bracket px is equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity psi star xt. This is the bracketed term minus IH cross dev of deva x psi of xt dx. Minus IH cross we take the outside here and rewrite the equation psi star xt into deva psi of xt by deva x dx. That value is again simplified form of the momentum, and it gives its average value. Now we find the expectation value of the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy term you know, it is p square by 2m. Therefore, firstly we write the kinetic energy denoted by the symbol k. Therefore, its expectation value, angle bracket k is equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity psi star xt. Here, total kinetic energy operator psi of xt x. This is the kinetic energy is function of x only dx. Then we write simplified term by putting the value of operator, kinetic energy operator. Kinetic energy is p square by 2m. P is known. Therefore, what is p square? Minus IH cross bracket square deva square by deva x square. Okay, the minus IH cross square means we get I square H cross square. I square is again minus, therefore we keep minus H cross square by 2m is as it is into deva square by deva x square psi of xt dx. Therefore, minus H cross square by 2m take outside, and integral term is only psi star xt deva of deva x of deva psi by deva x dx.